Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to track a Wise transaction step by step. Even if you've never used Wise before or don't have a bank account linked, this video is for you. Let's get started. Wise, previously known as TransferWise, is a platform used to send and receive money internationally. Once you make a transfer, Wise gives you a real-time tracking system, just like tracking a parcel. Wise is an international money transfer service. It allows people to send, receive, and hold money in different currencies. Instead of using traditional banks, Wise lets you receive money digitally in your Wise account. Wise is used in many countries. First, open the Wise app or go to wise.com. Log in using your email address or phone number. You don't need to connect a bank account just to view or track transactions. After logging in, you'll see the Wise dashboard. Here, click on Activity or Transactions. This section shows all your transfers, including completed, pending, or canceled ones. Now tap on the transfer you want to track. Once opened, Wise shows you the transfer status in real time. Wise uses simple tracking stages: money received, Wise has received the money; money being converted, currency exchange in progress; money sent, Wise has sent it to the recipient's bank; completed, money delivered successfully. If there's a delay, Wise clearly mentions why and what's happening next. Wise also sends email updates for every transfer. Sometimes the email includes a tracking link, so you can check the status without even logging in. And that's how you can track a Wise transaction. Easily. No bank account needed, no technical knowledge required. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below.